Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today, I'm gonna share with you something really good and something that to be honest with you, just start testing it and see if it is writable or not. And I'm gonna share with you all the information with Intelligence Capital, this bot for Forex and full automated, and you can use and this expert advisor with your MT4 platform and it's something interesting that I gonna start to using it. But I saw good reviews and show me my bro showed me the results that he have the last month and was really good doing nothing. So for that reason, I think it's interesting just making this review and share with you how it works and how you can generate profits with this expert advisor. So let's rock with this video. So having in consideration the idea to generate profits doing nothing at all, sometimes sounds like just a good dream for all of us. Well, I can't trade. I don't understand nothing at all, but I know there is the way that I can use it to generate profits, doing work, continue doing my stuff, continue with my work, going to my friends, doing something, taking a couple of beers, and still and that generate profits with forex. Because sometimes I saw a lot of many people don't understand how to follow the strategies, don't understand how to make his fair deposit or request the withdrawal, or about the strategies, about economic calendars, about technical analysis, fundamental analysis too. Don't understand how to generate profits or how to trade with forex.
Here is an ordinary square. Whoa, whoa, slow down, egghead.
But yesterday, my bro showed me the results he have using this bot and telling me, look, you need to use in this, you need to invest on this because you can start to generate profits with this bot doing nothing. And to be honest with you, I don't believe that. I saw that so good to be true. And sometimes something good to be true can be bad experience for me. And he showed me the profits that he made and was almost $13,000 in the last month, or I don't know if one last month or 2 months. I don't remember. But was a lot of money for doing nothing, right? For doing nothing. So this is the Autobot in full automated, and this is the broker to Intelligence Prime Capital. This is the website, and yes, have affiliate link, but not just for me. Okay, I buy this let's go to check it out. I buy it. This is the website. I'm gonna leave it the link below in this video. I buy it. This genius bot just for the price for $99.99, and I deposit to generate profits with this auto trading software. He showed me the Israel with this auto trading software and start generate profits doing nothing. So I think, well, we need to test it. We need to see if it is true or maybe just for him is working so well. But I decided buy it right now. Right now the price is this one here, and I'm gonna leave it the link below in this video if you want to register. After to subscribe, you're gonna receive your credentials for MT4 platform, your ID and your password to log in with the MT4 platform and start to using this bot with this broker. But you don't need to install nothing at all. You don't need to go to files and install your bot or your expert advisor. No, nothing at all. Nothing at all. That sounds really good, right? So after to log in and register with this link that I'm gonna leave it the link below this video, you can buy it this or this or this. Okay, just for one price I buy in this one. I can buy it right now because I really have, but you're gonna generate your affiliate link too. That means with that affiliate link, you can receive just a few. I don't know how much money I can receive sharing my link right now, but I'm gonna leave it below. Maybe I can generate a few dollars more. But that is the less important of this. The important of this auto trading bot for MT4 start generate profits in the first date. This is the first date. Yesterday I just buy it and start to generate a few dollars, but I have $2 for this first day that I start using it. It's not too much right now, okay? But I have a lot of expectations about how to start to generate profits with this new bot. So I'm gonna leave it this link below of this video, and you can start to use it, but you need to register, buy it that you prefer. If you are a YouTuber too, or you have a friends like it, or searching this type of content of robots to generate profits, I'm gonna leave it the link below this video. And after you register and buy it, you can share your link to with anybody. So this is the good thing about this auto trading software Forex and the platform MT4. So this is my first date using it, and just like I mentioned here, I saw my brother made almost $12,000 in 1 month. So doing nothing, I decided using it and start to testing it and see how writable can be using this auto trading software. This is the first date. In 1 month, I'm gonna make another video with this in just in 1 month to see how much money we generate doing nothing with this auto trading software. And I think we are gonna see something really good using this. And I'm gonna share with you my real results all the time. So I explain how to use it, how to register after you buy it, the bot, and install in your computer the MT4 platform, and you log in with these credentials you're gonna receive by email. You're gonna have your affiliate link to share with all your friends or the people you can need to share this type of content. So I hope this video like it. See you in 1 month later of today. Bye bye.